आणि सगळे फॅमिली मेंबर्स आहेत इकडे. I'm going to do Marathi and English only. Big congratulations to you and your team. Your better half is also sitting here. Without their support, I don't think very many things can be achieved. Earlier you said की मी तुमच्याबरोबर semiconductor वरती बोलत होतो, पण I always believe की ना 50% knowledge can be dangerous, so I better not open my mouth इकडे. But today's generation, again, I would say they're extremely lucky because literally any information, whatever you want to know, it can be derived within seconds. Failing to understand how it's happening, we take things for granted. When I was, going through few notes on semiconductor, I did not know that it existed in washing machines and all those kind of things. You normally don't think about it, even in cars. You don't think about all these things. It's a bit like a solid foundation at home. Your parents do a lot of things for you. You take those things for granted without getting too deep into those things. You feel ये तो होना ही है. So it is little bit like that. So to me, any woman is a backbone of a family, and
I think the concept was obviously something which is beyond somebody's imagination of coming into this chip, and the best way this journey has started is very uniquely that we had two legendary legends at one time to bless this. I mean, this itself is an indication that we will not fail. Dr. Kakodkar sir has been my mentor all throughout, and it was just in our journey that we met Sachin sir, and he showed a lot of initiative in what we are doing actually. And it was in a very short notice that he decided, because the moment he heard about semiconductors he was more excited. And what else can we expect from a nearer to God person coming and blessing us in such a short notice? So I think it is a wonderful beginning, and I simply feel that we will not fail. So technically, basically yes, semiconductor venture is going to be a very huge investment, and but we are going to start it in phases, and the phase one would be like the standard OSAT, which is outsourcing semiconductor and assembly testing. We already have initiated a round of for investments, and we were very happy to know that even with the support that we got, the main aspect was the technology. So that is something which is in our control, which has given us a valuation of, today as we stand, this company has a valuation of 500 crores, and there are investors investing at that value. So we have got good enough reserves to initiate the OSAT, which is why Apurva mentioned that by Diwali we will be in a position to come closer to having set up something very real actually. And by 2025 June we should have a complete OSAT facility commissioned, wherein a good amount of investment will go in terms of machinery and part technology, because OSAT obviously cannot be deployed unless we have a technology agreement signed with the technology provider, because he is giving his heart, because he is giving us a wafer which is already built, and we have to do an assembly testing. So yes, and we are doing this fast because we are going to obviously seek blessings from Maharashtra government, because once we are successful in this, obviously this place is going to be very small, and we have been in talks with the government, and they are very optimistic about it. And I think very shortly we will see some good support from government, where there will be a lot of subsidies which everybody is speaking about, where Gujarat, we had Micron and Tata ji commencing their foundation stone, wherein obviously they have also come in with a lot of subsidies. Maharashtra government is also equally thinking that lines, and I think we will have some better clear understanding with the government in the coming times. But notwithstanding the fact that they are always appreciating the fact, we had a couple of discussions, had a presentation, and it will be then a bigger facility, bigger investment, bigger subsidies. We as I rightly said, we are very confident that we will invest at least 5,000 crores over the next 5 years, which is the phase 1 of the project. And the phase 2, we are thinking about another 5,000 crores. But by the time we have completed phase 1, we'll have huge investments coming in. So our 10,000 crores will be good enough to attract another 25,000 crores of investment in the country. सर एक्चुअली ऐसे देखना जाए, अगर मोदी जी का ये अगर स्कीम नहीं होता तो सेमीकंडक्टर कंसेप्ट इंडिया में नहीं आता, क्योंकि ये जो कंसेप्ट है इसमें जो इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है वो बहुत बड़ा होता है। तो कोई उतना रिस्क लेना चाहेगा, क्योंकि ये टेक्नोलॉजी में फेलियर्स बहुत होता है। डिज़ाइन भी अगर सही कभी होता है तो फैब में काफ़ी फेलियर्स होते हैं, और वो फेलियर को जो विथस्टैंड करना कभी कभी कॉरपोरेट्स को भी डिफ़िकल्ट होता है। तो जब ये स्कीम्स आ गए तब जैसे अपने पहले विजनरी जैसे रतन टाटा जी मेरे बहुत ही बड़े विजनरी, तो उसने तो इमीडिएटली ऐलान कर दिया कि हम वो डाल देंगे, क्योंकि सब्सिडी में जो बेनिफिट्स आ रही है, जैसे अभी सेमीकंडक्टर्स में ओवर एन एवरेज 50% का सब्सिडी मिल जाता है। फिर गवर्नमेंट विद इन इंटर स्टेट में अगर आप सेल करोगे तो आपका GST वेवर मिलता है, तो कहीं ना कहीं जाके आपको 50 to 70% का सब्सिडी मिल जाता है। तो ये बहुत ही बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है हम लोगों के लिए। जो टेक्नोक्रेट सोच सकते हैं वो यही ईरा में सोच सकते हैं। एंड ये आई रियली, मेरा जो पहला सेटअप भी है RRP S4 इनोवेशन जो अभी लिस्टिंग में जाएगी, वो भी जो आत्मनिर्भर है, वो बस जस्ट मोदी जी का जो एक स्कीम एक सोच है ना सर, वो टेक्नोक्रेट्स और MSME को कहाँ से कहाँ लेके जाएगा सर।
गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी का फायदा और इससे आने वाले फ्यूचर में किस प्रकार का डेवलपमेंट आप देख रहे हैं, क्या देख रहे हैं फ्यूचर इसमें?
सर मैं शायद बहुत ऑप्टिमिस्टिक हूँ, बट मैं कहता हूँ कि एक बार मैंने अब्दुल कलाम जी का एक बुक पढ़ा था कि इंडिया इज़ मूविंग टू अ सुपर ह्यूमन। कोई आके इसको सुपर ह्यूमन करेगा, ये एक कंसेप्ट थी कलाम जी के। और कलाम जी जब भी कुछ बोलता है ना तो उसका एक इंट्यूशन है, वो ही इज़ ऑल्सो अ पर्सन नियर टू गॉड। उसका ही सीज द फ्यूचर। सब लोग सोच रहे थे कौन हो सकता है ये, हु कैन ब्रिंग इट सुपर ह्यूमन, एंड वी फाउंड दिस पर्सन, हमारे ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी। और सर मैं शायद लोग मुझे और ऑप्टिमिस्टिक कहते हैं, बट मैं ये देखता हूँ कि 4 साल में फॉरेनर्स विल कम एंड वर्क इन इंडिया। This is what I'm going to see. We'll see Americans, we'll see Britishers, they will be in India, they will be working here, and they will be a part of the Indian conglomerate. This is what I'm seeing actually. India always has a very good skill set. And what is that? Modi ji has realized that most of them go abroad, obviously for various reasons actually. But now things are reversing. You'll see a lot of people are coming back to India, and in the next 4 or 5 years, the way I cannot disclose some of the technologies that have come into India, obviously simply implies that in the next 4 to 5 years you will see people coming into India, and India is going to be superhuman, established beyond doubt. Yes. So मैं कॉस्मिक एनर्जी और यूनिवर्स को बहुत मानता हूँ। इनको एक साथ लाना तो मेरा ताकत ही नहीं था, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट। अब इनको दोनों को एक साथ एक ही टाइम पे आना क्लियरली इम्प्लाइज कि हम जो भी करेंगे अभी सक्सेसफुल रहेगा।
तो ये नई कटिंग एज फैसिलिटी जिससे लॉन्च की है, ये अन्य जो कंपनियां हैं उनसे कितनी अलग और बेहतर है आप समझते हैं?
सर क्या है, हर एक कोई सेमीकंडक्टर जो डालेगा वो निश काम करेगा ही, नो डाउट अबाउट इट। बट अभी जैसे है फॉर एग्जांपल, अभी मारुति अपनी गाड़ियाँ बनाती है, स्विफ्ट बनाती है, उसका ये आ रहा है, जिप्सी आ रहा है। मतलब मर्सिडीज जो है वो C क्लास बनाता है, वो E क्लास बनाता है, वो S क्लास बनाता है। सो वो वेरिएशन हर एक कंपनी में होगा। आज अगर एक कंपनी ऑटोमोबाइल में फोकस करेंगे, जैसे टाटास का ये मानना है कि इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल में जो चिप्स बनने हैं वो इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स का ज़्यादा प्रमाण करेंगे, हम लोग हमारे फील्ड में करेंगे। तो हर एक अपने अपने फील्ड में अलग रहेगा। तो इसीलिए जो भी सेमीकंडक्टर टेक्नोलॉजी आएगी इंडिया में वो बहुत ही अच्छा काम करेगी। हम लोग जाएंगे इमेजिंग में, क्योंकि हमारा फील्ड है इमेजिंग का, और इमेजिंग में आज बहुत ही कम लोग, जो मैंने प्रेजेंटेशन में कहा था, वर्ल्ड में 3 ही लोग हैं, मार्केट इज़ ओवर $multi-billion। एंड ये हमको ये जो कुछ भी करने के लिए ना सर एक टेक्नोलॉजी का सपोर्ट होना चाहिए, उसके बाद हम लोग उसको आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं। ये टेक्नोलॉजी भी हमको मिला और आज मैं ये दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि इतनी ज़बरदस्त एनर्जी आज आ गई, दो लेजेंडरी और दोनों का सोच भी सेम रहा। मेरे हिसाब से सर ये हमारा वेंचर्स, हमारे पास अपूर्वा जी है जो चीफ टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफिसर और शिखर, ये लोग दिन रात मेहनत करते हैं और हम लोग इसके ऊपर काफ़ी एडवांस काम कर चुके हैं। इसकी वजह से क्या है, ओसेट करने के लिए जो फेफर्स चाहिए वो कोई टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी देगी नहीं जब तक उसको कॉन्फिडेंस आता है कि हम उसको हैंडल करेंगे, तो वो एक बेनिफिट हमारे फेवर में आया है।
Just export this Apurva ma'am, we just come for this. What is like your idea about the export? How much export is going to be and how it's going to affect our country?
Okay, so the partners we are working with, which the partner is from Europe, so we are facilitating our facility to them to manufacture the semiconductors here. So major chunk of our turnover is going to be from the export. And since we are moving into imaging industry, once the manufacturing starts and we are focusing on making our own imaging devices, so that we are trying to focus major chunk of the products in India. Since we were electro-optics company, this was our own requirement to have imaging devices in house because the problems we faced. Since the manufacturer, most of the manufacturer were from abroad, so getting all the chips here, since we worked in defense and getting ITAR control product here, we always face the problem. We faced semiconductor shortage during the times of COVID. That was eye-opener for the semiconductor industry in India. That if something happens, if supply chain breaks, then we will not have anything. So export as well as some of the parts which are ITAR control, some of the parts which has extreme amount of lead time, we are trying to focus on that part, and so we can use that parts in India for our own product. We can use it for our own defense in India. Shikhar, would you like to add something?
Yeah, definitely. Like Purva was saying, seeing the like in 2019 we saw a break of COVID where we saw shortages in semiconductors. Seeing that shortage, these small companies and big companies come together will add on to the shortage